items you would need to get this look. I am using Sally Hansen Hard as Nail Extremely Wear Blackout for the black nail polish. I got this from an Etsy shop. If I can, I'm going to try to link it and put a little picture up here, but yeah. And I used L'Oreal, I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce that, as a top coat to seal the deal, and a dotting tool for the little dots. So let's just get into the video. I'm painting all my fingers black except the finger right next to the pinky. That's the one that's going to be hollow. You're going to see me doing 2 layers of black in the hollow, and then I tell you what to do after that. Okay, on this part you can see I have my dotting tool, and I'm putting a little holographic nail polish on it, and I'm just putting a little dot at the bottom, and I'm doing that for all the fingers that are black, and then I repeat it when I do my other hand, and then that's all to it. A simple black holographic nail tutorial, and it's really cute and simple, and then I really like it. Don't forget to seal the deal with a clear top coat.